Blockchain games. Today on Small Bites of Cryptocurrency, we will be discussing what blockchain games are and how these games differ from traditional video games. What are blockchain games? Blockchain games are online video games that possess features of blockchain technology. They are generally known as blockchain-based games. This is because these games are built on different blockchain networks and use smart contracts to govern transactions. How do these games differ from traditional video games? Before blockchain games came into existence, there was the presence of traditional video games. Similar to blockchain games, these games had their own game economies. The game economies consisted of players buying in-game tokens to get game resources. Players could purchase these tokens using real-life currencies or earn these tokens as rewards during gameplay. But there was a problem. These tokens and resources were only helpful in these game ecosystems. That is, they had no monetary use to players outside these games. Blockchain games solve this problem through the use of cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens. The tokens in blockchain games are in the form of cryptocurrencies. Players can withdraw these tokens from the game and exchange them for fiat currencies in several exchanges. Most of the valuable game resources in blockchain games are in the form of NFTs. Players can withdraw these NFTs and exchange them with other players in various secured online marketplaces. The game economies in blockchain games give players value for their time, resources, efforts, and money. By giving players total control of their in-game assets, the game economy no longer favors game developers but also game players. Subscribe to Small Bites of Cryptocurrency to get tidbits of blockchain knowledge. See you in our next video discussing features of blockchain games. Bye.